Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Mini. This two-door hatchback has a 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mini has less than 82,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 26 miles per gallon in the city, and 35 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include cold weather package, satellite radio, power sunroof, heated front seats, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Call 401-885-5355 to schedule a test drive and learn about our guaranteed financing options.